Hi, my name is Dipesh Siwakoti, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate my final project of programming and algorithm, and my student ID is 20031694. In this video I'm going to demonstrate my final project, which is employee management system, and it is built on Java Swing, and it has two portions, which is command line interface and the user interface version, GUI based version. So in command line interface, whatever features are in command line interface, I have integrated the same features on the graphical user interface too. So first of all, let's go and check out the command line interface, and then after checking that command line interface, we're going to run the graphical user interface, and we'll talk more about programming and the architecture and all in the video. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's just run our main program, which has a simple layout with the two options, that is for one for the client base, sorry, command line base, and for the graphical user interface option. Let's run it in function. Okay, we are good to go. These are the two options that initially user can see. So first, as I said, we're going to check text-based interface. For that, I choose one, enter. Yeah, we have the main menu for the command line interface. So first of all, let's load the employees data using the option 1. As we can see, employees data has been loaded successfully. The message has displayed in the screen. So now let's go and view all the data that we have. For that, I have choose the number 2 option as mentioned in the menu. So this is all the data that we have in our file, and as it says, there are 13 results. Now let's go and try to add one more employee record in here. So for that, I'm going to choose option 3, add new employee. So I'm going to add manager. So for that ID, we use manager M, and I'm using 221. Name, I'm using my name. Department, let's say IT, gender male, salary 5500, performance rating 8, and we have team size of 10. Project name is UI design. Okay, so employees data has been added successfully. Now let's just go and check the employee has been added or not. So for that, I'm going to use search by name features. So let's go and search by name, the page. Okay, so here is two employee record with Dipesh Siwakoti, which has M0011 ID and M221 ID, which is this is the recently added data. Okay, so we have checked the search by name feature. Now let's just use search by performance rating features. Okay, so for that, I'm going to choose option number 5. Yeah, enter the minimum performance rating. So I have to pass the rating value. Suppose I am passing the 8. Okay, let's go searching. So as I have passed 8, we have all total of 4 person with 8 performance rating. So it says 4 results found for 8 performance rating. So we have tested all these features. Now let's go and test the features, which is search by ID. First of all, I'm going to look some data here. So suppose I'm going to search Liam Brown, which ID is R007, and I'm going to choose option number 6, which is search by ID, and I'm passing R007. Okay, so we have multiple records for R007. Okay, so this is Liam Brown and ratings. Okay, this is the search by ID features, and we can update the employee. So for that, I'm going to choose option 7, and I'm going to pass same ID of the Liam. So please press enter to skip the field that you don't want to change. So suppose if I want to skip some field. Suppose I don't want to change the name, so I just press enter. I don't want to change the department, I press enter. I don't want to change the role, enter. Suppose I just want to update my salary. For this I'm going to change 9,500 and performance rating to 9 and job title skip, years of experience 7 years. Okay, once more. Suppose now my employee detail has been successfully updated. So now let's go and check the employee details. I use search for ID. As here I can see, this ID has been updated with ratings of 9 and the salary is 9,500. Okay, so I want to delete same employee record. So for that I'm going to choose number 8 and give the employee ID. So employee deletion attempt for ID R00. It means that the employee data has been deleted. Now let's go and check for R007. First of all, I'm going to pass 2 to view all the employee record. So let's go and check here. We can't see the R007. Yeah, so now let's go and check for the performance and salary action. Suppose I'm going to choose this ID to perform action, salary actions. I choose option 9. I have passed user ID. Okay, it shows that we have found one user and the evaluation has been done successfully. The appreciation letter has been issued and the employee has been awarded by 15% bonus and the new salary is $89,443. Okay, so now let's display the employee sorting by name. For this I have to choose option 11. So as per name we can see AA, all the initials has been sorted by the name. So A, D, E, J, L, N, O, S, yeah, all the name has been sorted based on the name. And for the salary, now let's go and try sort by salary features. I have choose sort by salary number, and as here we can see it is sorted based on the salary from lowest to highest. And now we have one more feature to test, which is view recent actions. So this is for the admin. So it here we can see that all the actions that are performed by the admin when they already logged into the system or when they started using the system, all the logs has been saved here. So let's go and check there. Yes, so from loading the file to the fetching all the employee details, we can see all the actions has been saved in a queue and then displayed as administration action. And now we have two more options to use, which is save changes. So as I have added and updated edited employees record from file, so I need to save changes to so that next time whenever I come here and the data aren't deleted. So let's go and first save it. Okay, the file has been saved and the timestamp has been shown here. So let's go and check if it has been saved or not. So employee data.txt inside the data folder. Suppose I am going to exit my system. Yes, I want to exit. Yeah, so now as we have added one record, which is I guess M1213 data has been added in this time. So I'm going to rerun the program so I can verify that that user has been added and saved. So as here we can see this user was added previously and it was saved successfully in the file. So this is all about my command line interface program. So in next portion we will talk about graphical user interface. So thank you. Okay, so let's get started for the second part, which is graphical user interface. And first of all, let's go and run the main program. As here we can see, we have the two options. Let's choose the second for graphical user interface. Okay, so this is the main dashboard of graphical user interface, and for this I'm going to load in my employee data. So for this I am going to load random employee data, which is randomly generated, and we have all this data. We have loaded all this data from the file. So for now, let's go and add one employee, and I'm going to keep ID of M100 for ease, and I'm going to choose my name, department IT, let's say manager, performance rating, team size of maybe 10 people, project name GUI app. Let's go save. Employee added successfully. So to verify that employee has been added or not, we can just go to the tabular list. At the last, we can see here the new data has been added successfully. Okay, so now let's go and randomly update some employee data. Suppose I am going to choose Charles Kane. Okay, maybe I need my ID. Update the employee. Yeah, we get Charles Kane IT non-binary. Let's go and change this to male, and let's minimize to team 7 and save. Employee updated successfully. Okay, so let's check it. Here we say the data has been changed and the gender has been changed. So what now if we directly try to update employee data without choosing any of the employee, maybe any row? So whenever we try to update without selecting any employee, it might show error. So for now that I can't show because I have already selected one of the employee data from the table. So for the delete employee features, I'm going to choose Ralph data and choose the delete employee. So we have confirmation dialog that says M302 Ralph data as I choose employee data to delete, and I have deleted it. So whenever I press OK, so the data has been deleted successfully from the file. Okay, so now we have more 6 more features to test. So I'm going to use search by ID, and I want to search M100 maybe. Yeah, I have just entered that data. So after checking this, as we can see, the data has been displayed in the list, sorry, in the table. So now I'm going to search employee data by name. So how can I do that? So let's go first sort the employees data by name. As here we can see, all the alphabetic order has been sorted, all the data has been sorted in alphabetic order. So for now I said I am going to search for Susan Weiss. So okay, so let's go and search I161, search by ID I161. So here we see Susan ID has been successfully found by search by ID, and let's go and use search by name. I'm going to search my name. Yeah, here we go. We can find the data based on the name keyword. So now let's go and sort the employee data by the salary. As here we can see, it's sorted from least to the highest amount of salary, and we have test both salary and name features, sort by salary and sort by name features. Now let's go and perform salary action, perform a salary action. So first I'm going to choose one of the user data, sorry, one of the employee ID. So let's go. I'm going to choose James Ramos, perform salary action. I'm going to give the ID, and let's go evaluate. Here we go. So here's only the 3 performance rating, and the warning letter has been issued. So here we can see a warning letter has been issued to the employee with ID, I106. Okay, so let's go and check the recent actions that I have performed whenever I start the app. So I go and check for the recent action. Here we can see all the action that I have performed whenever I start this app. So first of all, uploaded data from file, fetch employees, added employee data, and everything like return record modified, fetched employee data, removed from the system, and search and everything has been displayed, or we can say has been logged and displayed in the administration actions. And at the end we have the save changes, which definitely helps to save any changes that I made to the file system. So as I click the save changes, I get an dialog box to save my file in different location maybe. So I have choose here new data. I have saved with the new data file. Okay, so it says the file has been successfully saved, and it shows the timestamps too. Okay, so now let's go and load same data, and we will verify that. Sorry, I forgot to give an extension. Okay, but no worries. Here we go. The new data has been successfully recorded in the system, and I guess we have updated some more data. um, so let's go and verify that too. Okay, I can find that data, but as we can verify that a new data has been successfully added, updated, and saved to the system, and we can check the recent action and all here. So here we go. This is all about my employee management system. Thank you.